Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Before we dive into the fascinating world of 3D printing technology, we have something exciting for you. We know you're as intrigued by 3D printing as we are, so we've hunted down some amazing Black Friday deals for you. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to grab your next 3D printer at an unbeatable price. Now that we've shared this exciting news, let's gear up to explore the impressive features of the Creality CRM4 3D printer. In the grand scheme of human invention, the wheel, the printing press, and the internet may have some company. Welcome to the revolution of 3D printing technology, a realm where dreams transform into tangible reality at the click of a button. Today, we're diving into the world of one such marvel, the Creality CRM4 3D printer. The Creality CRM4 is not just any ordinary 3D printer, it's a testament to how far 3D printing technology has come. This machine boasts the largest FDM printer stature, making it a beast in the field. It is equipped with a CR Touch auto-leveling feature, ensuring that your prints come out just as you envisioned, without the hassle of manual adjustments. But it doesn't stop there. The Creality CRM4 also has a fast heating bed. This isn't just a convenience feature, it's a game changer. It drastically reduces the time you have to wait before you can start printing. This means more time creating and less time waiting. However, like all things in life, the Creality CRM4 is not without its downsides. Despite its remarkable features, some users have reported issues with the printer's reliability over time. It seems that this printer may require a bit more maintenance and care than some of its counterparts. Another point to note is that its large size may not be suitable for everyone. This printer requires ample space, which could be a limiting factor for those with limited room. Nevertheless, the Creality CRM4 is a solid choice for anyone looking to delve into the world of 3D printing, or even for seasoned enthusiasts seeking to upgrade their setup. Its impressive features and capabilities offer an enticing glimpse into the future of 3D printing, a future where the only limit is our imagination. In summary, the Creality CRM4 3D printer is a giant in its class, boasting the largest FDM printer stature, a CR Touch auto-leveling feature, and a fast heating bed. Its downsides include potential reliability issues and a large footprint that may not be suitable for everyone. This exploration of the Creality CRM4 is a testament to the revolution of 3D printing technology. The future is here, and it's brimming with possibilities. So whether you're just starting on your 3D printing journey or are a seasoned veteran, remember this: every great dream begins with a dreamer, and with tools like the Creality CRM4, those dreams are closer to reality than ever before. In the spirit of bringing dreams to reality, we would like to remind you once again of the amazing Black Friday deals on 3D printers. Whether you are just starting out or want to level up your 3D printing game, this is the perfect opportunity to invest in a Creality CRM4 or explore other fantastic options. So don't forget to check out the link in the description below for these unbeatable discounts. Remember, the future is here, and it's brimming with possibilities. Thank you so much for joining us in this exploration of 3D printing technology. As always, keep dreaming, keep creating, and until next time, happy printing!